Hello, my name is Ana Paula Sanchez, and my presentation is about global warming and how the temperature keeps on rising on the world. One interesting fact that I learned is that scientists are really concerned because we only have a limit of time to stop this. And this is at a really urgent situation because the emissions are peaking and they must peak over the next few years. So here behind me, we have a chart that shows the global temperature rising from 8080 to the 2020, to be specific. So from the 19th century to the 2000s, you can see how you have like the blue representations, and it is when the temperatures remained cooler than the baseline. Between here, you can see how they start moving closer to zero and not below zero. So it's like rising but not increasing drastically. So in 1980s, you can see it starts to rise a little bit, like 1 Celsius, 1.2 Celsius. So you can see that it is increasing rapidly and that global warming is becoming an actual thing. And after that, you can see it starts rising significantly more. So in the NASA article I chose and I read, you can see how human-made emissions are going into the world. So the planet is getting more heat, and this is leading to melting ice, rising sea levels, stronger storms, droughts, and a lot of climate effects and climate changes. So this article says how that every little warming that is happening and increasing, it's going to become a long-term damage, which is matching everything we see in the graph because it is clearly rising, and NASA also states that every day it's rising more, which is causing worst effects. So these are some key points that I found all throughout my whole research, the video, the graph, the article I read. I think everything I analyzed and all the data I saw lead to the same thing, that we need rapid change and that we need to slow down the trend shown in the graph because this is increasing really fast and it is really concerning. I think the hardest part for me was analyzing the chart and like writing about it so I could be clear. Since the chart has a lot of numbers, I think it was kind of hard, and explaining how the pattern was going like rising was kind of hard, and using all the words to like describe that is harder because it's a new vocabulary for me.